Hi everyone, I'm Hagen with Minecraft Source, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic one color design t-shirt using Siser Easyweed vinyl, as well as the StarCraft solo vinyl cutter. So what we're gonna wanna do first is walk on over to our heat press, get that turned on and preheated to 305 at 15 seconds. So while that's doing that, we can go ahead, come over here and start messing with the solo. So what we're gonna do first is put that down so that we can lift the rollers up. Get that inserted as far in there, not as you can, just far enough. Make sure you can get the lines all lined up nice and well, and then lower that back down. Now what we're gonna do is have it feed out. Just feed out to us, and then take I'm using a 12 by 12 sheet and line it up in the bottom rightmost corner, trying to get it as lined up with the lines as well. And you take your squeegee and just squeegee it on there, or burnish it, or whatever you want to call it. Now, if you have your image, which I would hope you do, you're gonna come over to your Create software and go to the Trace Image option. Once you click on that, the dialog box will pop up. You can click choose an image in the input area. I'm gonna click on the Minecraft Source logo because I work here. Open, you're gonna click OK. See, mine came out really big, so I can do Control minus and that'll zoom us out. And this right here is the transform handle. You can grab that and then hold shift and that'll keep the aspect ratio the same. So I'm gonna zoom that down and then bring it over here. Control plus zooms us back in. And since I think I'm gonna want to try to get it as a 6 by 6, so I'm gonna try to line that up as best I can right here. Bigger. Now what we're gonna want to try to do is get as close to this right edge and bottom edge as possible without going over. Then we're gonna right click it and flip it. Go to transform, flip horizontal, mirror. And what that's gonna do is whenever we go to put it on our shirt, it'll read out normal and we can press it on there and piece of cake, easy. So now we can go ahead and click create and go to our preset, make sure it's on Easyweed, but if you're using a different type of vinyl, then you can choose a different preset if it's on here already. And if it's not, you can go to these settings right here and change them accordingly. So now we can come right back here. We're gonna feed our vinyl all the way up in there. We're gonna try to get this yellow piece right here. Not yellow, it's very much red. You're gonna get the red piece as close to that corner as well, and then we're good to go. We can go ahead and click create. And since that's doing that, we can come right over here with our shirt, try to get it on there as even as possible, because what we're gonna do is use this, since we're preheating it, we're gonna use the heat press to get all the wrinkles out and try to get all the moisture out as well. So let's see if we can get this on here. Nice and good. Make sure you don't burn yourself, because I almost did. Probably would have sucked a little bit, huh? I didn't burn myself, you burnt yourself. So you're not gonna hold it down the entire time right now, just because I would probably not do good things, might burn it, I don't know. Bring that up, look at it, yeah. We'll do that again here in just a second. It's doing its thing. What are we looking at here? 183. Do it one more time. There we go. Okay, now we can come back over here. Sounds like it's getting about done. All right. Now that that's done, we can feed that out, pull it off of here. You don't necessarily have to do this part, but I'm going to. I'm just gonna cut out our little area that we're using. Also gonna go ahead and get this all the way out. Actually, I'm just gonna put it up, get it out the way. Now what we're gonna do is take our X-Acto knife, or you can use a weeding hook if you have one, or a weeding pin. So that's what you can. I'm gonna use an X-Acto knife just because it's personal preference. So now we're gonna weed this out, make sure we get all the details out, and then we can take it over to the heat press. All right, so as you can see right here, I messed up just a little bit right there. So you're gonna wanna make sure yours is pretty dang near perfect. But since that's not the case, what I'm gonna do, I'll walk over here, put it right on to the shirt, try to get it as even as possible so that it's, you know, a nice shirt all lined up. Then we're gonna take our heat resistant sheet. It can be called other things, but I was told to only, you know, call it this. Put that on there and then bring this back over and keep pressing on. So you're gonna hold it down here for 15 seconds, and then after that, it should be good to go. So this is also, Easyweed is also a hot peel, so you can pull it off right as it comes out. Walk happy self back over here so you can get a good look. And that's what we're working with. All right, I appreciate y'all coming to watch this, and I hope you have way more fun than I did. So, all right, y'all have a, you know, come back, whatever. Go to mycraftsource.com.